Hi, welcome to another edition of Midlife Rising. My name is Greg. You've seen this before. You weren't supposed to see it that often, but you're seeing it again. Urban snowshoeing at its finest. I don't know if it's necessarily warranted to have urban snowshoes. The equivalent of maybe 18 to 20 centimeters fell or 6 inches. But let's go find out. Let's go walk some trails, maybe walk in the woods, see what's out there, and give it a shot. It might be the last snowfall of the season, or maybe not. We'll find out that, but at this point, let's make the most of life. That's what it's all about. Alrighty, take care. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of limited to where to go. There's a lot of private property in this area. Make sure if you are trying to stay on the streets. There's a golf course here, and it's not the best marked in some spots. So just make sure that if you do come here, make sure you watch where you go. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this film. You take care. Sorry if it's a brief one, but just wanted to show you the sights and sounds of one of the rare snowstorms and another urban snowshoe. Alrighty, take care. See you. Bye. I do want to end this critical though. What's critical about my vlogs is, and why I'm vlogging, is always try to look at the positive in everything you're doing. If you see the opportunity to go out and do a quick snowshoe, do it. Doesn't matter if you've done it 100 times before. It's better to do that than do nothing. Got to enjoy some scenery, got to enjoy some beautiful trees, and have a blast. And I hope you guys got to see the same thing about the beautiful trees right off the road, and it was awesome. Alrighty, you guys take care. See you around. Bye.